Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. All of you know that we are in a serious pandemic in 2020. Most of you don't know what to do at your home. So, this is a great time to learn something new. I am giving a free lesson about Python every week. This is a very good programming language. I would share with you guys why I choose Python than any other programming language like C++, Java, JavaScript in my next video. So if you want to learn something new, click the subscribe button and bell button to get notified every time I post a new video. So many of you guys will be asking me, what should I install to use Python? The simple answer is, you don't have to install anything. Yes, you heard it right. But if you want to install the apps to learn Python, check out my next video to learn about it. You guys may be asking, if I don't want to download the apps, what should I do? Alright, just go to Google and type REPL .it and you'll reach to this website. Alright, you just press this button and as you can see, there's a various amount of programming languages like Python, C, Java, C++. Okay, you just press Python and put create REPL. As you can see, you already reached to Python's terminal. Alright, you must be thinking, what should I do with this terminal? Here is where you run all the codes. Example, let me show you. Print as you can see, it has been printed hello world. So this is where you run all your codes. Now let's learn our first program. Alright, now let's print some codes. Okay, so how you want to print some codes? Alright, you just type print bracket. It can either be single quotation or a double quotation. Okay, so I'll go with the double quotation. Hello world. And if you print it out, you will get hello world. Okay. Then you must be asking me, then what's the difference of double quotation and single quotation? There is absolutely no difference. They only build that for statements. Example, let me show you. Print. Okay, so now I want to ask a question to someone. No, not a question. Alright. So if you want to use apostrophe S, you must use double quotation, because if I use a single quotation, it's so Python thinks that the command has ended at it, because as you can see there's a single quotation right here. So we want all of it. We want it's raining outside. So we want a full command. So we put a double quotation. It's raining outside. So if like this means you will get it's raining outside, but if you put a single quotation, it will just end at it and you will get an error. So it's the same for double quotation. If I want to print a dialogue, example, if I use double quotation, hey, how are you? Question mark. Said John. If I run, as you can see, I get an error. This is because there is an invalid syntax right here. So I don't want a syntax. So we must use a single quotation. We just use a single quotation right here. So if I place it like this, you will get the whole command. Alright, now I will show you how to print like a paragraph. Let me delete all this. Okay, so print with the bracket. You can put a single quotation or double quotation. I'll put a double quotation. So you must place it 3 times. 1, 2, 3, and just press enter. So now you can do like a paragraph. Okay, so maybe, hey, how are you, John? I am willing to meet you. Hope to see you soon. And if you press an enter, from Smith. Okay, so if this is already end, you just go down and place another 3 double quotation or a single quotation. 1, 2, 3, and if I run the code, you will get exactly how you write on this white area. So this means Python is running its code line by line. Alright guys, that's all for today. Hope you guys loved this video. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel and give a like to this video.